In here we will solve another method of first order system. In this method, here given you a system response output function. This is time axis and this is system output response CT axis. This is your system output, and you have to find out the value of time constant and system transfer function, settling time, and another is rising time from this graph. This math is so much easy, so don't have worry. First of all, I find out the transfer function of this system. What is the transfer function? Basically, you know a transfer function is GS is equal A divided by S plus A. If I find out the value of A, then I can easily find out the system transfer function. So now if I can find out the value of A, then I will get the transfer function GS. So how can I find the value of A? You know what is A? A is exponential frequency, and exponential frequency is the inverse of time constant. So first of all, you have to find out the time constant tau, and then you will get the value of A, and then you can easily find out the transfer function of this system. So now I find out the time constant tau. What is time constant tau? Time constant means when our system response reach 63% of its final value. Look at this. Our system final value reach at this point, at this state, and then if we draw a line to CT, then we will get 0.7. Suppose it is 0.72. This axis is not accurate. Suppose this point is 0.72. So our system maximum output is 0.72. What is the 63% of this value? What is the 63% of this highest 0.72 value? So 0.72 into 0.63. This is 0.45. 0.45. Suppose this point is 60% of its final value. So time constant means what is the time needed, but time taken to reach system 63%. So I draw a vertical line and assume that this time is this is 0.1, this is 0.2, so that's why this is 0.151617. You can assume it 17. So time constant value is 1.17. Okay. What is time constant? When your system reach 63% of its final value, we see in here the final value is 0.72, and what is the 63% of this value? And this is 0.4536. So I assume that this is 0.4563 or 36. So the time taken to reach at this point of the system response, it is 0.17 second. So time constant is 0.17. This is the answer of your question 2. This is time constant. So what is the value of A? A is equal 1 by time constant, 1 divided by answer. This is 2.2045. 2.20. The value of A is 2.20, means exponential frequency. So what is your transfer function? G of S is equal 2.20 divided by S plus 2.20. Okay, I solve these and this. Now number 3, what is settling time? We previously I show the formula of time setting. This is 4 by A, 4 divided by 2.2, and rising time TR is equal 2.2 divided by 50. 2.2 divided by 50. 2.2 divided by the value of A. Rising time formula is TR समान 2.2 divided by A. Here the A value is 2.2, so the output is 1. Output rising times is equal 1. Okay, this is how you can solve this first order system math from the graph easily.